In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Zapier account to LearnWorlds so you can streamline your workflows, save time, and make automation work for you. If you're someone looking to optimize your LearnWorlds experience and get more out of your online course platform, then stick around because this video has everything you need. First things first, you'll need both a LearnWorlds account and a Zapier account. Make sure you have both set up and ready to go before we dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your LearnWorlds account. Once you're in, head to the Settings section and find the Integrations tab. Under the Integration section, you'll see an option to Connect with Zapier. Click that, and it will take you to the Zapier login page, where you'll authenticate your LearnWorlds account with Zapier. Once that's done, you're ready to create your first Zap. A Zap is essentially an automation between two apps. In this case, it's going to automate a task between LearnWorlds and another software you use. The next thing you want to do is go over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. Now, Zapier will prompt you to choose your app and event. You'll search for LearnWorlds in the app section, and once selected, you'll choose the event that you want to automate. It could be something like new student enrollment or new course purchase. After selecting the event, Zapier will ask you to connect your LearnWorlds account if you haven't already. Once connected, Zapier will test the connection, so make sure everything works smoothly. If it passes, you can proceed to the next step. The next thing you'll do is set up the action step, which could be anything from sending an email to adding a student to a different platform. Now, I should mention, while LearnWorlds is great for creating and selling online courses, it doesn't have as many built-in integrations as some of its competitors. And while Zapier helps fill that gap, it's not the most seamless experience for beginners. But if you've already been using Zapier, this will feel pretty straightforward. Next thing, let's talk about testing your Zap. Before you turn on your automation, Zapier will give you an option to test your Zap. This step ensures that the integration between LearnWorlds and whatever app you chose works exactly how you want it. I recommend testing a couple of times to make sure everything functions properly. Once you're happy with how your Zap is set up, click Turn on Zap. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your LearnWorlds account to Zapier. You can now sit back and let Zapier handle repetitive tasks for you. The automation will run in the background, saving you time. Now, before you go, there's something important I need to mention. This video shared how to connect Zapier to LearnWorlds, but I've also got a few alternatives for you that are worth considering. These platforms might be better suited to your goals, especially if you're focused on simplifying your workflow with more robust integrations. Through the link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial of one of these alternatives, along with some amazing benefits just for our viewers. And don't worry, you'll still get the best free trial and exclusive perks that are only available here. So, before you make your decision, be sure to check out the alternatives that could work even better for what you're trying to achieve.